Python 2.7 or Python 2.7.1 or Python 2. Anything Python 2. There is no support. All companies stopped. Like if you are using some kind of software which is built on Python, that company, whichever they're supporting for us, right? Okay, who has developed some software, so they won't support us because, boss, we are not getting any updates from the Python itself, because Python itself, they said, from this 2.7, for this 2.7, from January 2020 we are not giving any updates. If you see it properly, going here and see when was the last update happened to Python 2.7. 14. Okay, September 2017. Let us see. May 2018. October 2019. April 2020. This is the last version they have released, and there is no other releases. I don't think this is also just an extended support they might have given. But if you see the Python 3, May, June, June, July, July. Maybe this is some security bugs they might have fixed. That is the reason only they have given this. Usually they don't give it. Okay. If you see March, Feb, December, December, usually this much frequent it is. Okay. But if you see every maybe 6 months once they are giving for Python. That also this year it will stop, I guess. That any security related or anything patches are. So our training will be entirely on 3.x. It is not on 2.x because we are looking for future. Okay. Right? Guys, am I correct or not? Should we
Yes, sir.
fall back to the old version, or we should go with the new latest versions? We should go with the latest versions. And people who are stuck over there, they are investing money for converting the code from 2.x to 3.x, so that people who are learning 3.x will be able to help them out. So you have to learn 3.x only. You need not to learn 2.x. Okay. Very small minor syntactical error changes are there. Okay. So we are not getting deeper into it, but just remember this. But in between, I'll be slowly covering that what and all getting changed as we will be proceeding throughout the classes. Okay. Other classes. Okay. Just remember till there now. Okay. Now, let me get back to the slides. Yeah, where it is the slides. Okay, let me check. Yeah, I have it here. Okay, guys, if you are getting feel bored, just let me know. Okay, yes, these are the different kinds of Python. For C language, they took the Python and they changed it as C Python. For Java, JPython. Okay, Iron Python. Okay, for Java and all, it is still there. Okay, and Ruby for Ruby Python. And I said Anaconda, which we are using it for working on like big data and all those things. So I use it a lot. So I prefer you guys also use it. Okay. And Python 1.0 came out as official in 1994 as a release, even though publicly they have announced it February 20, 1991, but released into the market in 1994. Okay. If you see, Python 2 has come in 2000. Okay. Now I'll tell what is the interesting factor here. From 1994 till 2000, it was not a smooth sail for Python. I'll tell you why. From when the actual internet, everything evolved properly, when you started seeing the mobiles properly, from which year? Like you remember in which year? You might have seen. In India, it is somewhere around 2004, 2005. During that time only, right? People started buying phones. Correct, right? Mobile phones. Am I correct or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. When it comes to US and all, they might be like 2000 or something like that. Okay. So during that time, okay, as the internet getting evolved, from 2000 onwards, Python people started using because for internet based applications, it was very useful. Like as I said, Google and all, they started using the Python at the beginning itself in 2000 and all. Okay, so they when they adapted like YouTube, Google, all these guys, many people. So it has become more popular from 2000 onwards. And they released the first version of 3.x in 2000. And they have told that they are going to stop the 2.x after some time. And they have done it in January. And last package, as you've seen, you have seen it in this April. Maybe that is some kind of security bugs they have fixed it. Okay, because those are mandatory. Okay, forget about it. It's not required for us. And now tomorrow onwards, we'll be looking into the identifiers, the real actual programming we will start. Okay. So for now, it is too much. This is theory. Let it be here like this. Okay. And tomorrow onwards, we'll be looking at identifiers. What it is identifier, how we have to know them, like how I have to remember, like what is happening inside the memory. All those things practically you will be experiencing. Whatever I show, practically like memory level, I will be showing you. You will see like what is happening.
Today we
Object.
just install by today we install Anaconda, right? For this.
If you want, you can install it. Else tomorrow,
Mhm.
once after finishing the class, you can ping me. I'll be helping you out. Till tomorrow, anyhow, today you don't have anything to what do you say to work on or anything, right? So tomorrow, if you install by end of the class, that's okay, not a problem, because I'll be showing you some interesting, very fun stuff over there in Python, like in like you don't know what is object also, but tomorrow by evening, I mean like by afternoon, like whatever a Java guy knows more than that object related things, you will be knowing it. Okay, you need
Okay,
not to
sir.
worry about.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you need not to worry about
Okay.
it. So that is the thing, guys. Okay, so today who and all have attended for getting the video of this demo, you will get it only today, only the demo. Tomorrow it will be the practical, I mean like practical will start. If you want to listen to my last, I have uploaded 4 videos on the YouTube. Maybe tomorrow how much interesting it will be, like whether to register to the class or not. If you want to do understand it, like you can actually go to my video 2 in my eLearn InfoSec YouTube channel. Okay, and for the video, you guys have to just ping me. I'll share you right away within like maybe another 1 hour or so. Okay, guys, I hope you liked it, and
Yes, sir.
it will be
Yes,
like
sir.
more interesting from tomorrow onwards. If you are joining, just ping me over there in my IM. Okay, so I'll share my payment details and everything. Okay, yeah. Any questions, Girija?
Sir, is this the timings of everyday's class?
Weekend, weekend. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
yeah. We'll be like 2 hours, 2.5 hours today, 2 or 2 to 2.5 hours tomorrow. Okay. So altogether 4 to 5 hours will be covering. Correct, right? Okay. Every day 1 hour. Okay. If you invest better than like weekends, like 5 hours if we invest. Okay. Both are the same, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you get 1 week of time to work on those everything. Every day you can spend from your side 1 hour you have to spend. Okay. So you can do practice before you come to the next week. So it will be very easy for you. Correct, right? That is the advantage of weekdays. But some people, weekdays, weekends is that advantage. Weekends, like every day, if you have to, uh, like you have to do means, some people are very much like every day they want. Okay, for them, sorry, I'm not like will be available for every day because I have other classes on weekdays, so I won't be in a position to do that. Okay, then.
Sir, recordings you will share daily on our mail IDs or what will be
Yes,
like it?
I'll be all our private IDs. See, uh, like we are almost 4 weeks on fourth week on the other Python, whatever you have seen in the morning class. Okay, so the people who are in the group, they will be getting the recording. I'll be adding them to the YouTube list. Okay, and it is not something like for your batch, you will have a separate YouTube playlist. Okay, because
Okay.
whatever I've explained, like that only you want to learn, right? Correct, right? Okay, so I'll be sharing that. So how it went. Okay, and if you want the previous batch videos, okay, once like after the particular topic happens, then only I'll be able to share that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so because you can have some comparison. If something I've missed over here, you might be like, I don't miss
So
anything
means
because
by
I'll be
next day, my like Saturday, Sunday's class, so by Sunday or Monday we can get the recordings to practice.
no. Today class you get it by evening. Okay, got it
Okay,
right? By
okay, sir.
afternoon.
Correct,
Okay,
correct, correct.
tomorrow's class. Okay, you'll be getting by tomorrow evening. But next week's class you'll be getting next week. Okay,
Okay,
okay, that is the thing.
okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank you,
yeah,
sir.
you guys just make up your mind and let me know so that I'll be sharing my payment details with you, like whichever it is. Okay, hmm? Fine.
Yeah.
Who is the guest here? I see someone with a guest name. I don't know who is his name. I mean, what is the name? If you want, you can just say your name. Not like if anything you need, like letter, if you want me to remember on chart, I can. Who is guest? I don't know. Someone is not responding. Okay, it's up to them. Okay. Yeah, Girija, how you liked it or not? How it
I
went?
like the session, sir.
Okay, fine.
It's
Lata?
it's very clear and
Nice,
pin
sir.
to pin point is explained, sir.
Yeah. So don't worry. Every class is like that. Okay. If you want, you can go to the playlist and see whether my classes are like that or not. Every class will be like this only. More interesting. I'll be more interactive. I'll be like giving you more information and you need not to worry about like how I'll be taking care. Okay. Hmm?
Okay,
Don't
sir.
worry about it. Okay.
Okay,
Just
sir.
ping me for other details, like as I said, payment or other details, and I'll be sharing every day a link with you guys with respect to the
Sir, is
because
it
I'll be
feasible so that you can create a group of our class on Telegram only, like we can interact on
yes,
group
yes, yes,
only
yes, yes,
after
yes.
that?
I'll do that. Yes, I'll do that. Yes, I'll do
Yeah,
that. Yeah,
yeah.
that's what I'm asking you guys to ping me. Okay, done.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Ah, Siddharth.
Siddhant.
So it is clear for you, right?
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
missed some
Yes, sir.
part.
yes, sir.
Yeah, don't worry. We will be like giving that information.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And you, Siddhant?
Okay, you were talking to Siddharth then.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
both of you. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
someone has actually went in midway between. Okay.
Yeah, that was me, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Siddharth actually went in between. I mean, like at the beginning, he missed Siddharth. You missed it at the beginning, right? Siddharth, you missed
Yes,
at the
sir.
beginning.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. And
Yeah.
Siddhant, you missed in the
Mid
in
section.
between.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. So don't worry. Okay. So don't worry. Okay. So Siddhant, today afternoon will be,
Yes,
I
sir.
mean, evening we have 8:30. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Don't
Yes, sir.
forget about that.
Yes, sir.
We have that SOC related thing, right? So
Yes, sir.
today it will be a kickoff. So people who are interested in like learning cyber security are also very much welcome for demo today at 8:30 p.m. Okay. It'll be fun, interesting.
Sir, some
Okay.
data science related courses also is there. You are teaching some data science
No, and
courses
not
more.
as of no, not as of now. Okay. First, I want to make sure the people with some skill set on Python and what my aim
Mhm.
is like to push them and cyber security and all. And I want to first help them out instead of I myself keeping busy only on like teachings. First of all, I want to create people
You're
some
working
awareness
somewhere or
and
you're teaching only? Like you are a
no,
working
no, no, no.
professional, sir?
Yes, I
Okay.
work for a tier one bank, US bank. Okay.
Okay.
It's like, yeah, like top, top five bank, I
Okay.
can say. Okay. I don't say whether it is one or five, but it is top
So
five
from
bank. I
Delhi
work.
you are, sir. Sir, from Delhi you
No,
are
no, no.
operating.
No, I'm operating from Bangalore.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay. You guys don't. So you guys don't worry that you are in safe hands. Okay. Yeah. You have. Why I am actually not taking other classes means like big data or everything because once if you know Python, you can do anything. Okay. But why I'm not taking is like now I just want to push the people to get into the jobs first. I want to give more time for them. Okay. So weekdays I'm putting a lot of effort over there, and weekends I'm just trying to generate revenue. That's it. So that's how I'm making. Okay. So people who are actually there, I would like to support them in week on weekdays. More like multiple batches are going on, right? So for them, I'll be available on weekdays, right from morning to evening, anytime they can. Okay. So guys, this is all about the Python introduction. Okay, I gave some other links. Okay, you everyone please ping me. Okay, so that I'll be able to create the group and share it with you. Okay, the batch group. Okay,
Okay.
and
Okay.
yeah, okay. And if you have any
Okay.
other questions, you just drop me. Okay, so tomorrow class I'll be putting in the group. Okay, so first before that you just make up your mind. Okay, how whether you should proceed or not. Okay, got it right, Siddharth?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, that is the thing. Lata,
Okay, sir.
if you have any queries or Girija, if you have any queries, just ping me. Okay, and
Okay.
I'll be there to help you out. Okay, fine, guys.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow, I hope I see every one of you for attending the classes tomorrow. But before that, if you want to like go through my classes, eLearn Infosec, if you go there, select just Python classes, you won't make any difference, feel any difference. The only thing is I can clarify then and there itself all your doubts now. Okay, so that is the reason live classes are better always. Hmm? Okay, fine then. For programming, learning programming. Okay, fine then. Okay, see you guys. I'll be just stopping the recording. Okay, let me. Yeah, go ahead with this thing. Hmm? Okay. Uh, yeah. Okay. You can exit. I think everyone. Let's meet. Like everyone, ping me personally for everything. Okay. Just let me know. Okay. I don't know who is this. Okay. Click. I don't know who is guest. Guest is also left. Girija, you're there?